Yeah, they're picking the berries. They have a bar on the front of the machine that knocks the berries up, and they float up behind the machine. And since the wind's not blowing, all the berries are staying in one spot. They have to come out with booms and boom them down the wind of the dike and load them up in the elevator. Put them in the back of the truck and take them to Ocean Spray. Pushing the cranberries in the elevator. Pushing it back to the back of the truck. Here we got the cranberries boomed in. Breaking the elevator. Going into the back of the truck. Hey, buddy. Here's a truck loaded with berries. I'm going off to Ocean Spray. Say hi, Russ.
Hey, how you doing?
Drive it up on the scale.
But you get into a rod problem if you get way too late.
Dump the berries. They dump the cranberries. Back into the bin. Truck, they weigh it, and then we come back and get weighed again, and then that tells you the difference. Okay.